Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to the personal section. At the very bottom of it, we've got backup and reset options, so simply tap on it. And here almost at the very bottom, we've got DRM reset option, so let's tap on it. And here we have to tap on it again. Right now your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because this operation will delete all the licenses on this device. So simply tap on OK, and as you can see, the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset digital rights management in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.